A grain silo is burning in Rakitne, Belgorod region. The area of the fire is 1,200 square meters. We don't know the cause, but it's almost certain that Ukraine is behind the attack. Half of North Korean ballistic missiles used by Russia failed, according to Ukraine. Ukrainian authorities have conveyed a bleak assessment of the accuracy and dependability of the roughly 50 KN-23 missiles supplied by Pyongyang. About half of the North Korean missiles lost their program trajectories and exploded in the air. In such cases, the debris was not recovered, the office of Ukrainian State Prosecutor Andriy Kostin told Reuters. This is positive news for South Korea and Japan. Nevertheless, North Korea's backing of Ukraine remains a serious threat, as even a portion of the missiles could inflict significant damage. Russia has been acquiring ballistic missiles from both Iran and North Korea, possibly due to its inadequate domestic production capacity. Depending on foreign missiles is detrimental to the prestige of Russia's defense industry and war economy. The Swedish infantry fighting vehicle CV-90 is in service with the Ukrainian armed forces. Fire from a 40mm Bofors L-70 gun. UK expels the Russian defense attaché, an undeclared officer of military intelligence, and summons the Russian ambassador. A major package of measures to target and dismantle Russian intelligence gathering operations in the UK will be rolled out today, the Home Secretary has announced. Today, the UK government will expel the Russian defense attaché, an undeclared military intelligence officer, remove diplomatic premises status from several Russian properties in the UK, including Seacocks Heath, a Russia-owned property in Sussex, and the Trade and Defence section in Highgate, which are believed to have been used for intelligence purposes. Impose new restrictions on Russian diplomatic visas, including capping the length of time Russian diplomats can spend in the UK. Another burned T-90M of the Russian army. Not only was the hatch open, but there was also some kind of cable hanging there. Did they try to get something out? Attention, Finland and Lithuania. You're playing with fire, you bastards. Russian propagandist Soloviev issues threats to the Western scum. I know I've said this before, but I very much look forward to the Hague trial for him.
Тем более, когда Дуда выступает за размещение в стране американского ядерного оружия, Финляндия собирается у себя строить завод по производству взрывчатых веществ. Удивительно, да? Финляндия, территория которой полностью простреливается нашими средствами поражения, а этот завод, очевидно, станет мишенью номер один в случае принятия, целью номер один в случае принятия такого рода решения. Литва просит в очередной раз «Deutschen Soldaten und Brigaden», чтобы было размещено для того, чтобы в очередной раз слезать зад немецкому хозяину, как уже не раз бывало в истории этой недостраны. С огнем играете, сволочи, с огнем играете. Только не говорите, что вас не предупреждали.
Если кем-то принято решение уничтожить Россию, тогда у нас возникает законное право ответить. Да, для человечества это будет глобальная катастрофа. Для мира будет глобальная катастрофа. Но я все-таки как гражданин России и глава российского государства тогда хочу задаться вопросом, а зачем нам такой мир, если там не будет России?
Эта фраза, сказанная президентом 6 лет назад, вызвала очень бурную реакцию в наших либеральных слоях, в том числе и тех, которые на тот момент были очень близки к власти и чуть ли не в самой власти находились. Типа, ну зачем? Ну как же так? Только так. И именно в таком контексте надо воспринимать и очень четкое предостережение западной сволочи, которое прозвучало из уст нашего президента 24 февраля 2022 года.
For the end, the FedEx cargo plane had a fault with its front landing gear, causing it to faceplant as it landed. There were no casualties except for Boeing's safety record and share price.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.